Pre-workout. Let's go. Goto with egg with chicken. Diba? Yummy hotdog may tome. Opa. Guys, so turo na ulit tayo last 2 clients. Let's go. So yun guys, nakauwi na pala ako. So ito na yung last meal ko. Yan. Ano yan? Grilled bangus, 180 grams. Tapos 250 grams ng white rice. So today, nag-exceed ako sa calories ko. So nag 2.5 calories ako ngayon. Almost 2.5. Since kahapon, naka 1.5 lang ako. Binawi ko lang. So that's it for today. Pang day 23 ng cutting pace natin. And lagay ko lang ulit dito yung macros and calories. So see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is leg and arms. So that's it for today.